Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Easy English Academy. In part 3, you will learn 50 daily uses English sentences. If you have not seen part 2, then go to the description box and check it. और अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल इजी इंग्लिश एकेडमी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अपनी इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव करने के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें. Now let's start part 3. आपको सब कुछ संभालना होगा. You will have to handle everything. You will have to handle everything. मैं बैठने के लिए जगह ढूंढ रहा हूँ. I'm looking for a place to sit. I am looking for a place to sit. तुम मुझसे कुछ भी नहीं छुपा सकते. You can't hide anything from me. You can't hide anything from me. ये किस तरह का सवाल है? What kind of question is this? What kind of question is this? मैं तुम्हारे लिए पानी लेकर आता हूँ. I will go and get water for you. I will go and get water for you. आपको ये आदत छोड़ देनी चाहिए. You should give up this habit. You should give up this habit. क्या हो रहा है? What's happening? What's happening? तुम मुस्कुरा क्यों रहे हो? Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling? मैं वहाँ जाता था. I used to go there. I used to go there. मैं कभी कभी वहाँ जाता हूँ. I go there sometimes. I go there sometimes. आप किससे बात कर रहे थे? Whom were you talking? Whom were you talking? वो कब आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? वो उससे कैसे खोजेगा? How will he find him? How will he find him? आप कहाँ जाओगे? Where will you go now? Where will you go now? अगली ट्रेन कब आएगी? When will the next train come? When will the next train come? आप कौन सा साबुन इस्तेमाल करते हो? Which soap do you use? Which soap do you use? तुम क्या करना चाहते हो? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? मैं ऑफिस में हूँ. I am in office. I am in office. क्या आप शादीशुदा हो? Are you married? Are you married? तुमसे किसने कहा? Who told you? Who told you? दरवाजे पर कौन है? Who is at the door? Who is at the door? हम लोग जल्दी में हैं. We are in a hurry. We are in a hurry. तुमने ये क्यों कहा? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? तुम क्यों शर्मा रहे हो? Why are you blushing? Why are you blushing? क्या आप एक काम करेंगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? ये गलती से हुआ. It will happen by mistake. It will happen by mistake. चाय ठंडी हो रही है. The tea is getting cold. The tea is getting cold. ये किसका नंबर है? Whose number is this? Whose number is this? ये सब तुम्हारी वजह से हुआ. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. मैं भी यही बात कहने वाला था. I was about to say the same thing. I was about to say the same thing. मैं एक बैंक में काम करता था. I worked in a bank. I worked in a bank. मुझे पता है आप कौन हैं. I know who you are. I know who you are. क्या तुम जानते हो मैं कौन हूँ? Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? क्या आप अंग्रेज़ी बोल सकते हो? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? तुम्हें खाना बनाना आता है? Do you know how to cook? Do you know how to cook? तुम इतना खर्राटे क्यों लेते हो? Why do you snore so much? Why do you snore so much? मैंने अपनी आँखों से देखा. I saw with my own eyes. I saw with my own eyes. तुम्हारे पास क्या है? What do you have? What do you have? आपको बुरा लगा क्या? Did you feel bad? Did you feel bad? वो हंसने लगी. She began to laugh. She began to laugh. वो रोने लगा. He began to cry. He began to cry. वो बहुत गर्मी है. It's very hot over there. It's very hot over there. बहुत बढ़िया. Well done. Well done. क्या आप मुझे पसंद करते हो? Do you like me? Do you like me? मैंने खाना खा लिया. I have eaten food. I have eaten food. उसने नहीं खाया. He didn't eat. He didn't eat. झूठ बोलना पाप है. Telling a lie is a sin. Telling a lie is a sin. कल मिलते हैं. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. आप कहाँ गए थे? Where did you go? Where did you go? यह क्या किया? What have you done? What have you done? Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Follow for more.